Hello, kids! Welcome to Vocabulary by Planet Spark YouTube channel.
Let's see how many you can get right. Ready for a word game? Let's play! Question 1. Guess the word. I shine in the sky during the day. Answer: sun. Yay! Great start! Question 2. Choose the correct word. We use this to drink water. Plate, glass, chair. Answer: glass. Nice job! Question 3. Fill in the blank. The cat says, dash. Meow! So good! Question 4. Guess the word. You wear this on your feet. S-H-O-E-S. Answer: shoes. Awesome! Fun time. Clap 3 times and say, I love words.
Please like the video and subscribe my channel.
Question 5.
Opposite of big, tall, small, fast. Answer: small. Smart thinking. Question 6. Read and answer. I am yellow and sour. Who am I? Answer: lemon. Yummy answer. Question 7. Fill in the blank. We sleep at dash. Answer: night. Perfect. Question 8. Guess the word. I tell time. C-L-O-C-K. Answer: clock. Brilliant. Point to something yellow around you. Question 9. Choose the correct word. A baby dog is called kitten, puppy, cub. Answer: puppy. Possum. Question 10. Fill in the blank. The sky is full of Answer: stars. You shine. Hey, superstar! Ready to show how strong your words power is? Ask Mama and Papa to book your vocabulary challenge below. Question 11. Read and guess. I have pages, but I'm not a tree. Answer: book. Clever. Question 12. Unscramble. T-C-A. Answer: C-A-T. Cat. Easy win. Question 13. Opposite game. Hot,
old. Cool answer.
Fun activity. Say all items fast. Ray? Book, pencil, bag, bottle, go, go, go!
Question 14. Fill in the blank. Birds can fly. Amazing. Question 15. Riddle time. I have 4 legs but cannot walk. Chair. Super smart. You did such a great job. I'm so proud of you. How many did you get right? Comment your score. Subscribe for more fun quizzes. To start your learning journey, click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today.
Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.
Please like the video and subscribe my channel.